Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa. In this video, I'll be showing a product from IKEA which is STYRSPEL, which is a gaming chair. IKEA wasn't having any gaming chair so far, I believe, but I saw this gaming chair recently in IKEA store and I thought of doing a review video for this. And this gaming chair comes with two different colors. One is gray and red, which you see here, and the other side on the right hand side that you see, which is purple and black, and the price is 22,990 rupees in INR, Indian rupees currency. This is suitable for the gaming chair, and you see the below there is a chair which you see it has a very good base with comes with 5 wheels, and these all are very strong wheels. The quality is good. This is one side you will find the height adjustment. Yeah, this is the height adjustment, and the other side you will find the locks for the backrest. Okay. This is an ergonomic chair where you can use it for the long, and you won't find any fatigue. And you have an option to increase and decrease the height of the armrest by this particular button, and the armrest is made up of rubberized material which will long last. And you see the material which is really good. I believe IKEA has changed the standard right now, and the nets are really made up of polyester, I believe. I don't know, maybe I'll show you the description of the material, but this seems to be very good quality. And the same applies to the back. You see the back also have a good amount of support. The material is basically 56% nylon, 44% elastic polyester, and the basic fabric is also 55% elastic polyester and 45% nylon, which I mentioned. And on top you will find a headrest which is basically adjustable as well. This is the different color, which is purple and black. Based upon your theme of your room, maybe you can definitely choose the color to two different colors. I'll provide the material. Yeah, you see the product details here, the dimensions. I'll add the dimensions also and also I will try to add the material and care information for you guys. I believe this video is helpful, guys. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you and thanks for watching.